What's up, everybody? I wanted to show you guys a few tips on how to diffuse your hair. This technique really works for me, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. So first, to start, my hair already has the cream, already has the gel on, so everything is set, ready to diffuse. If you see any frizz around, make sure you add some water and some product, and then make sure the frizz is gone before you diffuse, because if you start with frizzy hair, it will end frizzy. I have my Dyson diffuser, but you guys can use whatever. So you can either get an attachment head, or you can get another hair dryer that has a built-in diffuser, or you can get a Dyson, up to you. So when it comes to diffusing, I usually pick a diffuser hair dryer that has a cold option, so I don't damage my hair with heat. I also make sure that I have a heat protectant on before diffusing, so I spray a little and make sure it's on before I diffuse. I usually let my hair air dry for a bit before I start diffusing. When I start diffusing, I usually start with my roots first, because the roots take the longest to dry. And I've noticed if I start from the ends, I will end up having a lot of frizz. I don't put any heat, it's cold, but the highest speed. And I make sure also, another tip is I'm moving around. So if I diffuse my hair upside down, this will result in more volume. So I push my hair all the way down. And I keep moving around. For example, I'll go to the other side and make sure I'm just on the roots and the scalp. So I make sure I air dry 15 minutes until I feel a cast before touching it with a diffuser or touching it with my hands. Even when I diffuse, I avoid touching it until I'm ready to scrunch the cast. I start by diffusing my hair around the roots, and then when I'm diffusing like this, and then I go diffuse upside down, and then I diffuse on each side, giving it maybe like 5 minutes each. I don't move around a lot, so even when I'm upside down, I do it for a while, and then I go to the side, I do it for a while, and then the other side, I do it for a while. When you feel like your roots are dry, you can start going to the ends. So if you would like shrinkage, you can start going like this. I make sure it's just on for 10 seconds, and then I go to another area. So I realize when I diffuse 100%, I see a lot more frizz. So now I just diffuse 90% until it's dry, and then air dry for the rest. So I air dry in the beginning and in the end. When it's 100% dry, you guys can do whatever you want to your hair. You can pick it, you can shake it, you can do whatever, as long as it's 100% dry. Because if you do all that during that time, when it's not 100% dry, frizz will for sure show up. I like to keep it like this because I prefer definition over volume. And when I unclip or separate my curls, they don't last as long. So I don't touch my hair on the first day. I just shake it off the roots, make sure it's not sticking, and then I just let it be. So my hair is 100% dry. This is how it looks like. It's exactly the volume I like. I didn't pick it. All I did is shake it to the roots, make sure nothing was sticking. So after my hair is 100% dry, I take a little bit of oil, any oil you have. Just make sure it's a type of oil that doesn't suck out the moisture, but retains the moisture in your hair. I use jojoba oil, jojoba oil. I don't know how you say it, but jojoba oil to my hair and make sure just a little dot. My hair really likes it. It gives it the shine that I'm looking for. So yeah, if you try this, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found these tips beneficial for you. After a couple of years, I found out this is the best way for me to diffuse. I wanted to put it out there to see if it would help anyone else. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.